Hello, my name is Camelia Woods, and today I will be presenting diagnostic testing, understanding STAR. First of all, according to the text, there are four types of reading assessments. There are screening, progress monitoring, diagnostic, and outcome. But today, I will focus on diagnostic testing. I want us to understand a little bit more about diagnostic testing. So, a diagnostic reading assessment is one that is administered after a problem has been identified with the scholar. With these tests, they are used to measure the skills that a scholar has based upon the five components of reading, which are vocabulary, phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, and reading comprehension. Let's dive a little bit deeper into understanding diagnostic testing. Diagnostic testing is used to determine the level of knowledge and skill that a learner has. Because, like for an example, I teach high school and I have scholars that are reading on elementary school level. So with the diagnostic test, it will let the teacher know at what level they need to present information to a scholar. Just because a scholar is in the 10th grade, sometimes a teacher has to scaffold down to the level in which the learner is on to present the skills. Also, the type of testing that I will be discussing today that is used at my school for diagnostic testing is STAR. And STAR is a type of diagnostic test that is used to screen students for their reading achievement level. When using STAR, this helps us to determine what level that the scholars are going to be placed upon to receive help with accelerated reader. Another program that is used at our school is called Freckle. So this based upon the STAR, the scholars are given activities to complete in accelerated reader and in Freckle. STAR tests can do multiple things, like it is designed to be very efficient. When a scholar take the STAR assessment, they can complete the test on an average of 15 minutes. Sometimes it takes them a little bit more. Okay? With the STAR test, it gauges the reader's comprehension levels. And a good thing about STAR, it can be accessible to kids from 1st grade to 12th grade. So, it can keep an entry and follow the kids from grade to grade about the progress that they are making in the STAR program. Another great aspect of STAR is that the scholars' questions can cover different levels and different domains of reading. And with a STAR, they're able to analyze literacy text, word skills and knowledge, give information based upon analyzing an argument and evaluating text, comprehension strategies, and constructing meaning, and understanding the author's craft. So with STAR, the test covers 46 reading skill areas. That gives the teacher, the learning interventionist, the literacy coach, all a basis of trying to figure out what problems that scholar has as it relates to reading. And so that child can be properly remediated and receive scaffold instructions in class in small groups. Also with STAR, The test is computer adaptive. So when the scholar is taking the test becomes difficult based upon the level, and it goes back and forth until it balances out where the scholar is with reading. With the data from STAR, the scale scores for STAR reading ranges from 1 to 1400, and that determines the scholar's lexile for reading. STAR also compares the students' test scores to other testers by giving them a percentile rank, by giving them a zone of proximal development, by giving a percentile rank range, and a grade equivalent. With this presentation, I provided a sample of one of my scholars. The scholar took his STAR reading on September the 23rd, and it was printed. And so that scholar he took the test on September the 9th, and I printed it on September the 23rd. But this scholar is in the 10th grade, but is reading on a 5th grade reading level. So when I get him in small group, I make sure I give him texts that are on a lower level, but I still hone in on those skills that he needs to become a successful reader. We focus on main ideal and details, being able to cite textual evidence to support his answers, being able to locate theme when he's reading. We focus on him being able to become building his vocabulary level. These are all the things that are necessary in order for him to become better at his reading skills. He's also going to retest in December. We test in December for the winter, and we test again in the spring to see if he has grown. And so with that, hopefully with his interventions and his remediations, he would have grown a level, because his zonal proximal area is from 3rd grade to a 4th grade reading level. So we're trying to ensure that he gets to where he needs to be so he could be successful on his state assessments. And that is all I have for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.